Hi, I'm Sue from Dance Masters Entertainment, and we're at the Wellwood Restaurant today, which is a waterfront property. Look at this beautiful waterfront out front here. And directly to my right is the restaurant in this, from what I understand, historic building with beautiful gardens surrounding the whole area. Right directly also to my right a little bit further is a absolutely gorgeous tent. You'll be showing that shortly. As we get inside, I'll give you a little pan of that. But how gorgeous are these grounds for an outdoor wedding, which is on this beautiful point here overlooking the Northeast River. How gorgeous is this? They have an absolutely cute little garden right here that's set up for your backdrop. Your DJ is located in the back corner, and all your people are looking at this beautiful, beautiful venue. Once again, we want to welcome you to the Wellwood ceremony location.
I now present unto you Mr. and Mrs. Kenneth Axelson. Good job, buddy.
Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up.
Slide to the left, slide to the right, crisscross.
They are awesome.
I love this girl.
They did absolutely wonderful. Our ceremony was beautiful. She is so in charge. She has everything together. It went perfectly. Please use them. They are awesome. The music's awesome. She shows everybody how to dance when they don't know. It's great. It's great. You're the life of the party. You keep it going. You guys keep it going. It's awesome.
She really made us feel.
Yeah, it
was
makes
a fun
it
time.
awesome, doesn't it? And they had this
This is one of my fun bridesmaids, and I had a whole group of them. They were really cool.
And they
The one who cried during the speech.
light show on the tent.
That's nice.
Just made it really great.
And this lady right here is the reason I'm here tonight. And I want to thank her tremendously.
Yeah.
Thank you, Crystal.
You were at her wedding.
Yeah.
She recommended us.
Yes, I know. Look at you.
And Sarah and Justin were here
Yes,
also at their wedding. So they are great people. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Fabulous, guys. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful night.
Okay.